Welcome or welcome back to a new vlog. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a few spring days in my life as an au pair living in Holland. On this day, I finished work early and I had a massage, so I decided to stay in the city for a little solo date. I got my favorite drink, I got some Taco Bell for the first time, and I just sat in the park for the rest of the afternoon. You guys, I swear whenever I have to go out, like the transportation system always fails me. The Netherlands transportation system is so complicated for what like it's so unnecessarily complicated, because literally why did I come to a stop that like this bus line doesn't go to where I need to be? Like it's on the other side, and this is where the app told me to come. Like why are there two bus lines? Like why is the same bus line going to two different places? Like balance me, please balance me. I'm so confused. And also, if I had known that this bus was going to a different station, I would have just taken the bus. I would have just taken the bus at the bus stop. Like I would have just taken the bus at the bus stop there close to home. I wouldn't have needed to come all this way. Oh, I'm so irritated. It's fine. Let's go. If there's much on the menu, I'm having it. That is amazing. I'll take the order in a second. This is my favorite thing. Okay, let's try the bagel. I got a classic bagel with an everything bagel instead of a regular.
Still think we should make the karaoke guys. Yeah. And we all would like a float here, but like the mirror, so it gets the shape.
It's so good. I got a matcha from a different place around like the corner from where I was. I got my bagel. I'm just sitting right now in like a forest park. I don't even know. Personally, I've had a good enough day. Personally, I've had a good enough day. I don't want to see a museum. I don't want to see. I just want to walk around, like have cute matchas and then disappear. Also, I genuinely thought that this had boba in. Water like ASAP, and I do not see any cafes near here. Hey, let me be honest with you, I don't see any cafes here, and I need water. Guys, the strawberry is very overpowering. Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to like close this thing and shake it up real good, but thing is, I love my matcha. I love me a good matcha. Also, I literally just had a cherry iced matcha that restaurant I was at. By the way, that thing was amazing. Okay. And when I got to this place, I thought, oh, should I get a coffee? But like, I'm trying not to do too much coffee, and I already had a coffee this morning when I left home. So I was like, okay, no, let me get a matcha. Honestly, I need to get the powder because it's unhealthy to spend this much money on matcha. I've had 2 matchas just today. 2 matchas just today. So, and imagine I just had the powder. I would have just made this at home and try to shake it. I'm scared though because like, okay, I'm doing it. The strawberry is gone from the bottom. Hopefully now it's like more drinkable, because that strawberry was like overpowering it. It just went back to the bottom. Honestly, I came for the beach, but now girl, I want to go home. I want to go home. Like now I want to take my butt and vamos home. Honestly, I've had enough. Like truly, I have had enough. I have had enough of exploring. I've had enough. Let's see. What's the time? It's 4:15. If I leave now, I'm going to get home at like 7. Guys, do you understand how long that the travel is just for me to have come here for this little? But you know what? Like, the travel in itself made me tired.